Brambino's first car wash. Brambino, it's your first car wash.
Oh my god.
Maribel's scared shitless.
I am so scared. I hate it.
There's Pablo and Martin.
Ah! Dude, this is the scariest thing ever.
Bump, 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 bump. Oh, those are pretty big.
Put it in neutral?
Yeah. The foot off the brake.
Oh my god. What happened?
Are you neutral?
No?
Put it in neutral.
It's not doing it.
Put your foot on the brake and put it in neutral.
It's not doing it. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Ah! I hate this so much. Oh. Give Ramino's face, see what he looks like. Oh my gosh, David, look at this. This is so scary. Dude, look.
Look at him go. He's happy.
I'm not happy. This is like Final Destination. Where you like, ah!
It's the
Mom,
car.
I love
Cars
you.
behind us turn.
Mom, I love you. Look at my poor baby. It's like, Mama, like, what's going on?
You're more scared than he is. He's enjoying it.
That's so scary.
Wow. They're octopus legs. Plop, plop, plop,
I hate this
plop.
so much. I've never loved this. This is exciting.
Brambino's happy.
What do I do now? Should I?
You follow the directions, man. You don't do anything. Take this off.
So what do I do?
This is
Do
like-
I stay here?
Yeah. It'll tell you to put it in drive.
Where?
You have to go through the whole thing first.
Ah!